Today, we'll show you how to install your Britax Poplar convertible car seat forward-facing using the lower anchor connectors. Remove the lower connectors from the storage compartment at the rear of the seat. Pull the strap to full length toward the child's left side. Unhook the tether from the seat back and place it over the headrest. Adjust the recline. Before placing in a vehicle and working on a level surface, recline the unoccupied car seat to an appropriate position. Pull the recline handle and rotate the seat until the recline indicator ball is in a correct forward-facing position. Use the recline indicator to help achieve an acceptable recline angle. For forward-facing installation, the indicator ball must be completely within the dashed green lines. If you have difficulty achieving the proper angle, refer to your user guide. Place the car seat in the vehicle in a forward-facing position. Be sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat. Check the recline angle again to ensure it is in the appropriate position since being placed in the vehicle. Place the tether over the seat back. Open the click type by lifting the front cover flap. Squeeze the click tight release buttons. Slide the lower connector strap into the forward-facing belt pads. Firmly press the lower connectors over their adjacent lower anchors. Pull the end of the lower connector strap to remove slack. Verify that the connectors are secure and the strap is not twisted. Close the click tight over the lower connector strap. Ensure both gray click tight release buttons are visible. Attach the tether hook to the vehicle's tether anchor. Check the recline to ensure it's in an appropriate position. Check that the car seat cannot be moved front to back or side to side more than 1 inch at the belt path. Follow the same process for the Poplar S convertible car seat. Happy travels!